A girl should be two things: classy and fabulous. Success is often achieved by those who don't know that failure is inevitable. There are people who have money and people who are rich. Guilt is perhaps the most painful companion of death. Nature gives you the face you have at 20, it is up to you to merit the face you have at 50. Dress shabbily and they remember the dress. Dress impeccably and they remember the woman. Dress like you are going to meet your worst enemy today. Fashion changes, but style endures. A woman who doesn't wear perfume has no future. All men are children, and if you understand that, a woman understands everything. Some people think luxury is the opposite of poverty. It is not. It is the opposite of the vulgarity. I don't understand how a woman can leave the house without fixing herself up a little, if only out of politeness. And then, you never know, maybe that's the day she has a date with destiny. And it's best to be as pretty as possible for destiny. Look for the woman in the dress. If there is no woman, there is no dress. You live but once, you might as well be amusing. I don't care what you think about me. I don't think about you at all. If a man talks bad about all women, it usually means he was burned by one woman. There goes a woman who knows all the things that can be taught and none of the things that cannot be taught. A woman has the age she deserves. I don't know why women want any of the things men have when one of the things that women have is men. Look for the woman in the dress. If there is no woman, there is no dress. A woman is closest to being naked when she is well dressed. Fashion is not something that exists in dresses only. Fashion is in the sky, in the street. Fashion has to do with ideas, the way we live, what is happening. Fashion is made to become unfashionable. It is unseen, unforgettable, ultimate accessory of fashion that heralds your arrival and prolongs your departure. There is no fashion for the old. Fashion fades, only style remains the same. Guilt is perhaps the most painful companion of death. How many cares one loses when one decides not to be something but to be someone? Great loves too must be endured. Youth is something very new. 20 years ago no one mentioned it. Scheherazade is easy, a little black dress is difficult. The best color in the whole world is the one that looks good on you. There are people who have money and people who are rich. The most courageous act is still to think for yourself. Aloud. Since everything is in our heads, we had better not lose them. As long as you know men are like children, you know everything. Jump out the window if you are the object of passion. Flee it if you feel it. Passion goes, boredom remains.